Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game crashing or crashing at startup, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5 as you can see in the image. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. After that, select console storage and then tap on delete option. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings first, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to check for game updates. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check if there is any update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, select system software update and settings. Choose update system software and finally choose update using internet option. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system, choose language option in the left sidebar, select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. After that, select restore option and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solutions and you can be into the game once again. So that's all from this video. Thank you.